This keyboard is the Vissles LP85. It might look like an Apple Magic keyboard, but it is actually the world's thinnest optical mechanical keyboard, coming in at just 12mm tall. It is a 75% keyboard using low-profile optical switches and uses Bluetooth 5.0 or USB-C to connect. I absolutely adore the high-quality aluminium shell and minimalistic look. I got the Windows version in black, but it does come with macOS version and in white. Here's a quick sound test. Not only is it super satisfying to type on, it also has 19 different RGB settings for you to customize. I think this keyboard goes great with my setup. Let me know what you guys think of